Hello, sir.
Hello,
Where do you from, sir?
I'm from Depok.
Where do you? Okay.
And you? Where are you from?
I am from Tangerang City.
Tangerang City.
By the way, what is your name, sir?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Iksan Nurdiansyah. Everyone calls me Iksan, and I am a thesis student from Gardenia class.
Oh,
And
yeah.
how about you? Could you introduce yourself?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My full name is Nabil Fawaz. Everyone calls me Nabil. I'm from Tangerang City. I'm from and this period. I'm a thesis student di DGF period, and then here I invite you to make a conversation. This about my biggest goals with English.
Ah,
So, yeah, let me begin the topic.
Okay. By the way, what is your biggest dream? Biggest dream, right?
Dream, yeah, with English.
With English.
By the way, my biggest dream with English is studying and scholarship. Yeah, one of my biggest dream in English is to study abroad and get a scholarship.
Okay.
Yeah. What is that? If I want to study overseas, I have to speak and understand English well.
English well, because
Yeah.
because English is international language, right?
Yeah, we can make the best relationship there, and know about new cultures.
Yeah.
Because English helped me read the text, read the information, write the application, and
Yeah.
many universities and what's that? Many universities and programs use English. Is it true, right?
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
Because yeah, that's true. English is international language, so many application or many books,
Many books, yeah.
international book, exactly use English language
Yeah.
for information.
For the information.
And then how if your dream exactly scholarship in university,
Yeah.
you what is your plan B if you can't achieve it?
Achieve it. I have many goals. Why my biggest goals with English is it like for the first studying and get scholarship.
Yeah.
And the second
Second,
helps me in job because yeah,
that's true.
because many companies need who can speak English.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
yeah, that's true, right? Because many companies or many communities, yeah, when we can speak English, we can that's a good talent, and then you can make what I said before. You can make the relationship with other country or with other people and others, and then yeah, that's the best skills that you have.
Okay, that's it. You said that English is not only language, right? And
Yeah.
English is the culture.
Is culture.
How we can learn culture more deeply. How we can know about others' culture. Exactly. English culture, British culture,
British culture.
and many country.
Yeah.
You know their culture from English.
English.
That's so important, I think.
Yeah.
And then, by the way, your dreams. The first is scholarship, right?
Yeah.
And then the second, get job.
Get a job.
Get job in this country or in abroad.
Because it different situation.
Different
It's
situation.
different situation. Maybe if I were to study abroad, yeah, if I were get a good job, maybe yeah, I will to go to other country
Other
because
country.
Indonesia is bad. I mean, the condition is bad because
I see.
Indonesian's condition is oh wow.
Indonesia, exactly the salary, yeah.
The salary, yeah, is minimum because but in other country, other countries, the salary is bigger than Indonesia.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why
Exactly.
maybe I want to, I want to go to
Okay.
other country.
Okay. May your dream, may your dream can achieve soon.
Amin, 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 amin.
Okay.
What's good, sir?
Enough.
Okay, just enough.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, so much for your time.
Anytime.
Yeah, for your opinion, for your suggestion to me that you told me before, and that's help makes me confident for speak English well again and again. Yeah, because 90% is energy, 10% is action. What I mean by that is that what you focus on we go. If you focus only on work, in order to have more success, you just need to work more.
Yeah.
Is that true, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. That's true.
Because
I like it.
every moment in history begin with small step. Yeah. From small comfort to big comfort, from the big comfort to bigger comfort, and for the bigger comfort to biggest comfort, but all of them are comfortable as the first step. Yeah, the most people want change, but only a few are willing to go through in the process. Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
So that's all from me. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi